Some of the greatest athletes and physiques had the most challenging lives, difficulties, pain, loss, and sometimes even mental illness. But they are the extreme examples of what is possible when you alchemize literal and turn it into a work of art. Pull from some of that inspiration and tap into your own greatness. Movements, you ready?